In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cycle through Copilot suggestions. If you've ever seen multiple gray ghost text options pop up while you're coding and wondered how to flip through them quickly, this walkthrough will make it simple and repeatable. Start by opening Visual Studio Code. You can launch it from your app launcher or terminal, whatever you prefer. Give it a second to load and make sure you're in the editor window, not a settings or welcome screen, so you're ready to work. I'm assuming you already have Copilot enabled in your editor, since we're focusing on how to browse suggestions efficiently. Next, open your project. Use File and then Open Folder, or open your workspace the way you normally do. Navigate to the file where you want help, maybe a JavaScript module, a Python script, or a test file. Copilot works best when it has some context, so opening the file that relates to the task you have in mind will usually yield better suggestions. Now create a comment to guide Copilot. In your code, add a short, clear comment that describes what you want to write next. For example, you might type a comment describing a function you're about to implement, a data transformation you need, or the steps of a small algorithm. Keep it concise but specific. After you finish the comment, pause for a moment. Copilot typically responds by showing a suggestion as semi-transparent text right where your cursor is. If nothing appears immediately, try adding a bit more context or pressing Enter to start a new line under the comment. When a suggestion shows up, it's time to cycle through the alternatives. Press Alt plus the right bracket key to move forward through Copilot's options. On many keyboards, that's Alt plus. On macOS, the Option key serves the same role, so Option plus does the trick. Each press will advance to the next suggestion, letting you preview different versions of the code without committing to anything. If you see the suggestion update with each keystroke, you're in the right flow. Take a moment to compare the variations. Look for clarity, correctness, and how well the code matches your project's style. Repeat Alt plus Alt plus as needed until you've seen enough options. If the shortcut doesn't cycle, you may be on a layout where the bracket key is in a different spot, or there could be a conflicting key binding. Adjusting your keyboard shortcuts in VS Code can resolve that. Once you've reviewed the suggestions, you can continue editing as usual and move forward with